Actually, I've been into Bollywood, so it was a very rare thing for me right now to get into Marathi cinema. But he and his father, we share a very good rapport. Uh, his father has come out with three brilliant ideas as when we spoke about doing Marathi movies. So the first subject that he thought of was Dahi Handi, the festival of Dahi Handi. And today it is considered to be one of the biggest festivals of Maharashtra. And his dad is one of the biggest organizers of Dahi Handi. The story behind that, the plot behind that is what was in his mind. So we had discussed about it. So there was somebody's birthday where Suresh Warkar's birthday where he suddenly said that we have to do this, and there we got Avadhoot Gupte, who's also a master in those segment of cinema, like he's made Jenda Moria. So that's when we decided Avadhoot is going to get into this project as a director, and without much thinking or something, we thought of doing this subject, and then we told Avadhoot we are not supposed to do this subject. That's why he started to pen the story about what is going on. That's how the whole project started. And I got interested in this project. The reason because it was a very interesting subject. Reason because Pratap Sanayak was involved because of his association with Dahi Handi. And the third reason being Avadhoot directing this project. So it was a very good package for me to associate myself with this project.
For me, obviously, like I said, I think I've never been into this background. My background has been completely different. I've been into hospitality. I've also been into the youth wing of a political party working for the youth. So all of a sudden there comes a click wherein I have to get into the film industry, and that's how obviously I met Joe. So Joe as a person has been a very supporting person in terms of getting me introduced in the industry, getting me introduced to the knowledge of the whole industry and all of that.
This has a little backstory to it. In 2009, I was working on my second film, Moria, and it has a song, Ala Daha Tharancha Govinda. Thar मतलब levels, एक के ऊपर एक. तो मैंने गाना बनाया था 10 थर का गोविंदा, 10 थरांचा गोविंदा. Because the just previous year there was a world record registered at the same Dahi Handi, Purvesh's Pratap Sanayak Dahi Handi. तो वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है 10 थर का गोविंदा. क्यों नहीं हुआ? Why the record registered in Guinness Book of World Records could not be broken and found 10 layered Dahi Handi? Why not? So I was thinking about this, and one day that was Sureshji's birthday, and we had a bash at Suresh Warkar, my Guruji's birthday. We had a party at Purvesh's place, where Pratapji declared that I want to make a film based on Dahi Handi, and Avadhoot would direct it. So it was like दोनों इतने click हो गया. तो next that same night I went home and I started writing the story. And 3 page का जो story होता है वो I finished by morning. And I called him and I just went and met him. ये बनाया है. How do you find it? वहाँ से तो फिर चालू ही. And I remember that was last August. Because Sureshji's birthday is on 7th of August and Dahi Handi was end of August somewhere, and we met in between. So the same year, last year हम लोगों ने कैमरा लगा के पूरा वहाँ का crowd shoot किया. So the major shots which are adding grandeur to the film are shot last year. We knew that we are going to make it.